Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you add exercise on your Happn app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Happn app. So all you have to do, so you just go up there, up of this photo, just click on it here. Then it's going to take us here in your profile here on your profile here. So then all you have to do, just go up, click here in this sign here in up. So then it's going to take us here in this list. So then all you have to do, or you just go back, so sorry, you just click here on edit here in app. So then you come to this list here on your profile, then you just go down here, then you click here on exercise here, just click here in this sign, then it's going to take us here in this list. So in there can you choose what are your exercise habits here, your preference, to just shows it here and you click here on confirm, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.